Mark Bass. I'm a corporate partner in the DC office at Wilson. So Wilson Sonsini is a firm that started in the Valley in the 60s, got its start, and still to this day really focuses on representing tech and life sciences companies. We represent companies all the way from incorporation and startup through public offerings, M&A exits, venture financings, kind of the whole run of things, and certainly happy to speak with any of you if you have any needs. With that, I'd like to introduce our first company, Curbio. Curbio is disrupting the home sale market. They're bringing efficiency to fixing up homes. So I think we're all familiar with the fixer-upper trend from HGTV, and their technology makes the process a lot faster to dramatically increase the time to get a house ready to sell. With that, I'd like to introduce Rick Rudman, the CEO of Curbio.
Hey, thank you very much. Very excited to be here today to talk about Curbio and one of the largest opportunities in prop tech today. Most of you will immediately get this problem and opportunity, probably from personal experience. Move-in ready homes sell more quickly and for the best price. And 85% of homes today need some type of home improvement work before they go on the market, from simple repairs to whole home renovations. Here's the problem. Many homeowners either don't have the cash to put into homes they're selling, or they just don't want to spend the money and go through the uncertainties of cost overruns and missed deadlines that are associated with most home improvement. And even if they do agree to do it, the realtor's got a problem because they end up eating up most of their time as a project manager and not as a realtor. So Curbio was created specifically to solve this problem. It's the first technology-driven home improvement service that solves all of these problems: speed to market, simplicity for homeowner and realtor, and a pay-at-closing solution that requires no cash out of pocket. And this is now what allows every listing to become a success. How we do it, not as much time today to go into it, but how it's working, the results are very clear to the realtors and the homeowners. We've completed almost 1,000 projects. And what we're seeing is we're completing projects 65% faster than the average contractor. So again, if you're putting your home on the market, you don't have 3 months to get a whole home refresh done. We can do that in 4 weeks. Our homes are spending 50% fewer days on market, which is still important even in today's hot market. The homeowner and the realtor are seeing about 25% increases in list prices, in profit on the work that we do, and in commissions. So homeowners are actually making money on these projects. Realtors are saving a lot of time that they can now spend winning listings and doing other things. And also they're seeing a lot more referrals from happy sellers. Who are we working with? Pretty much everybody. If you're a realtor today, you're learning about us now. All the major brokerages are using us. And we're happy to work with any licensed realtor to basically be their pre-sale listing home improvement company. They provide 100% of our projects. We don't take leads from consumers. We take them directly from our realtors who already have a listing or trying to win a listing and want to use us to improve it. Strong unit economics. I come from the SaaS world. I'll talk a little bit more about my background, but we're seeing really good numbers in terms of customer acquisition cost and LTV to CAC. For those of you that may look at this as a two-sided marketplace, because we do use subcontractors that we bring in through our platform, although we are the licensed general contractor on site. We see gross market value of about $39 million. That's the lift that we're creating in home prices, and that's just for the last year. And then we take 25% of that as net revenue. Just some numbers to give everybody a perspective of how we're doing. The quarterly revenue growth, you can see there, the 4 green bars are forecast for 2021. We've gone from 0 to this year close to 20 million in just about 3 years. Also, unlike some of the larger companies that are out there that get up to hundreds of millions or billions in revenue and aren't making money, this year we dramatically improved our EBITDA loss. We're going to have a little bit more loss next year, and the following year on about 100 million in revenue, we expect to be EBITDA profitable, and the same roughly for cash flow as well. The team, I think probably my claim to fame in the local area is I founded and ran a company called Vocus. I took it public, 1,500 employees around the world. We sold it for about $500 million in 2014. I've got a diverse background, and 3 of the 4 people I brought with me were at Vocus, either in the most senior executive position or close to it. So we've kind of put the band back together, so to speak, because we think this market is going to be significantly bigger with a significantly bigger outcome. I'm not going to read through these, but there's a number of things that we've done that we feel provides a very significant barrier to entry for anybody else that may want to come into the market. There are people that are doing pieces of it, but we currently are seeing no direct competitor. And so here's what we've been doing. Here's what we're doing on the financing side. We're closing out a 20 million Series A1. It's fully committed, although we've carved out about 1.75 million that will be taken by an existing investor if nobody else steps up. We're looking for high value add prop tech VC or CEO. We have the CEOs of ADT, Hippo Insurance, Realtor.com. So we're looking for other high profile CEOs or really high value add prop tech people that might be interested in coming in for this last piece. You can see who our existing investors are in the round. These are some of the best out there in prop tech. So I have no idea what my time is, but I'm done.